This is Carly from Secretary of KSAV in Brooklyn, New York. So we actually made it to chakra number 7. This is exciting. I'm so excited about that. But as usual, as a Vodouisan, as a person who was lucky enough to be chosen by my spirit, by the spiritual world, I just have to talk about voodoo. I have to talk about the chaos, and then we'll get into chakra number 7. Okay, I'm too excited. So, like I said, we have the Creole version of the chakra talk, and we have Creole version of some of the things that I talk about before I start getting into the chakras. So, talking about voodoo is very important to us because it's very important to us talk about it because there's so much chaos. There's so much foolishness, I call them. There's so much nonsense going on in voodoo. And if I feel like we're KSAV, we're not the only group who feel that way about it. There's a lot of other people that feel like people who are Vodouisan, who truly care about the culture, people who really know who they are, care about themselves, who they are. They know where they're from. They know where they want to go. They know what voodoo has done for them as a people. So it is important that people know that when I hear a person from Haiti or Haitian descent doesn't even know who they are, where they're from, or they weren't taught, their parents, their grandparents didn't teach them anything. So things that definitely goes on in the Haitian culture concerning voodoo are elders, right? People who are there, who are so knowledgeable, rather they are, I could call them herbal doctors, even though they didn't go to school. Your natural doctor, this is something that's natural to them because they know each herb, they know how much you have to take, they know what each herb represents, what it's for, the amount you have to take, and all that. These are people who are born with a gift. Bone setters, I guess I can call them, is a broken leg. They can actually set it for you before you get to the doctor. We have people who help you elevate you in a sense of spirituality. Or a Vodouisan, a true Vodouisan, a chosen, someone who has a habitation, like we always say, someone who's from Elaku, someone that this is passed on from one generation to another, because that's how it used to be before, until all these chaos started happening and all these asogwe started doing this and thinking that if you wear certain clothes, you look certain way, you can be an asogwe. Respected. There was a time when you say you were Ugan, people look at you and say, so what? Big deal. Who are you? When you say that I'm an Asogwe, what does that mean? I mean, even I feel that way because I know people have introduced themselves to me saying that I am a Mambo Asogwe, like it's their last name, like this is the name that they were given. My story, how I became a Mambo, who I am, and all. I even have some other videos that from last year talking about me as an integrated healer. The reason I say that is because connecting to the Lord on that level really helped become the person that I am today. I don't know more than you. You probably don't know more than me, and then you probably do. But we at KSAV Voodoo, it's not a question of we trying to act like we're better than everybody else and we know better than everyone else. It's far from it, actually. It's all of us together on a journey. I learn from you, you learn from me. Each one teaches one. We are all teachers. We are all expert in certain things in our lives. Just like when you go to YouTube, there's so many thousands of videos, right? If you want to meditate. But you have to be able to connect to that video. I like just like the music. I prefer just so plain music. So there's like thousands of video out there about different things. It is important that we talk about our culture. We talk about voodoo. This generation learn from this generation. We are able to teach them so they can carry on our tradition. All right. So that's my take on that for this week. So, like I said, so we talked about the chakras. We say chakras are wheels of energy that goes to your body. So we are in the last chakra, the last main chakra, which is chakra number 7. So basically we talk about the first chakra, which is the root chakra. Second chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra, we have the heart chakra, we have the throat chakra, the third eye chakra. Now we are number 7, which is the chakra number 7, which is crown chakra. Yay! The crown chakra helps us connect in a higher level of consciousness, right? You are able to see vision and connect to everything in the universe that is spiritual. So when this chakra is blocked, you can't do none of these things, and it causes depression. Of course, it's closely associated with the brain because to where it's located, the location that it's symptoms, as far as could be nerve pain, depression, neurological headaches, migraine, and insomnia. These are the symptoms for it. Crown chakra is not blocked. Spiritual wisdom. You are able to connect and, as a person, as an individual to the universe, you are able to see vision. You are able to connect. A gateway to spiritual vision, spiritual wisdom, being able to connect individually to the universe when it's not blocked. The color, I'm going to tell you why the color of the chakra is white. The color for the chakra is white because it was shown to me in my meditation. Because I always thought the color was purple, right? Because that's why you see, that's why you hear, that's what you read about. But during the meditation, I saw the color was white. It wasn't even white. It was like a silver color, a silver white color. That's what I was shown that the color of the crown chakra is. So those who don't agree with me, it's fine. But I'm telling you, the color for the crown chakra is the color white. Silver white. If you have completed the 7 chakras, we talked about all the chakras that are mainly, the 7 chakras are mainly important to your well-being, to your spirituality, how to connect on a much higher level with your loa, with your spirit, wherever you're from. I feel like I know that through meditation, a lot can be done. People don't realize, like, meditation is so important in life. There is so much you can accomplish when it comes to meditation. Meditating, or it's like it becomes a drug, if you want to put it that way. It becomes something that you can't live without. Like, if you forget to do it or you don't have time to do it one day, you'll be like, oh my God, I feel so lost. What's going on? Why do I feel so lost? And then you'll remember, oh, I haven't meditated yet. And then once you go into that mode of meditation, it is such a wonderful thing. I am so lucky. I'm so grateful to the universe. I'm so grateful to my loa. I'm so grateful to my spirits, that out of all the people in the world, I was given gift. I was given a gift. I was given this gift for a reason. So it is important that I show my gratitude toward my spirits, toward my loa. Why am I chosen? You must see me as a very important being. So that's how you have to see yourself, as a very important being. If you are chosen by your spirits from your culture, it doesn't matter where. But if you are chosen, know that you are a very important being. In case when you forget, when you're having one of those days, then you will be like, I am a great being because I was worthy enough for my spirit to choose me to do the work. So if you have any questions, any concern, please shoot us an email. It's KSAV Vodou, KSAV @gmail.com. Vodou Facebook, KSAV Vodou YouTube. Thank you so much for listening and sitting up to our video. We appreciate it. Please share our videos into the universe. And I will see you next time, because we'll just talk about the difference between spirituality and religion, and why do I choose to talk about chakras. All right. Bye. Till the next time.